MLA ka Shillong South ba Sanbor Shulai hene ka singiu la ple pai ba ya ka police boot Red Cross Laban ka paula phashna kar pang na ka benta ki pulet penyat kali habakran hakani ka jinglang ba Sanbor ulang baya kani ka police boot ashna hakador ka ba shilak lai po hajar na ka discretionary grant riathuru pada ka jingdon jong kani ka boot ki pulet penyat kali kinyo ban penan kam lene bo ya kitar kitar khamtam hakapor ba Jerusalem Ladon lang ru hakani kasi na do SP but additional SP traffic na lord ki officer in charge jong ka Laban police station. Hadin kani uba Sanbor ula plepai baru ya ka jaka lej bar kablashna da ka Shillong municipal board hakador ka basanak tingka na ka Swachh Bharat mission.
Like what Edward has said, that based on the request of the general public and also the shopkeepers and we are here we are surrounded by, if you go to the left side, you are reaching Scout and Guides institution by Mount School. If you go to the right side, you will see plenty of shop here. This is a Red Cross. We have Umshirpi College, we have Red Cross Hospital dispensary, and downwards you will see there are lots of clinics and we have also school there, like the Bengali boys, the Bengali girls, schools, and we have the Muslim LP school. And this place is very busy place. This is a market place, and the problem that we are facing now, and based on the request of the general public of the entire Laban area and Greater Laban area, that we need urgently a police boot. They are a police boot as to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the students and the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of discretionary grant. And through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police boot for the interest of the police, the traffic department, and for the interest of the general public. And later on, after the handing over of this police boot to the authority of the traffic department in presence of Honorable SP Prasad, then we will go down, a little bit down, where we are going to inaugurate the public urinal toilet and urinal system in the form of pay and use toilet and urinal system. This is also the long aspiration of the people of Greater Laban, especially the people of our Laban area, because they don't have this toilet and urinal facilities. So we have also discussed with Prasad, Lakyang and Marngar also, with the Atman, members of the Dorbar, maybe after a few months, after the completion of the Laban's supermarket complex, after shifting of all those shopkeepers, we will be able to set up, that place will be free. So we'll set up one more police booth in Adiaudak Laban. One more. So with these few words, this police booth, we have spent from the DG grant of the MLA district grant 1,30,000, and the public toilet urinal system. This has been sanctioned for an amount of rupees 5 lakh from the Shillong Municipal Board under the Swachh Bharat mission. So thank you so much all the officials of the CEO and all the engineers of the Shillong Municipal Board who have accepted our proposal for this very necessary toilet urinal facilities. And here in Laban is very different. Always 24/7, be it the Dorban Shillong or the Sengtai, and the public of our Laban and Greater Laban area, we are giving our full cooperation with the police department or the traffic department to see that we should maintain peace and harmony in this area, and it is our collective responsibility and I appeal to everyone. We will continue to strengthen our relationship, our cooperation, to see that in the future also we'll strengthen, to strengthen, be it from the authority of the Dorper Snong Sing and Thay Sing Samla, the authority of the police department, the authority of the various government mechanism will work hand in hand to maintain always peace, harmony in this beautiful area of Greater Laban area. Thank you, Kublai Shibun and Bethel and Jai.
Honorable MLA sir, respected Admin, Secretary, Executive Dalbars of Laban Dalbars, the people in general of Laban, the press fraternity, very good morning to all of you. This is indeed a very significant contributions from the proactive the grassroots of the Laban. The dedicated MLAs, sir, they considered that in donating the traffic booths, which will create a space for the traffic personnels, especially in the rain, in order to regulate the traffic. This is a very important step. We are really expressing our gratitude on behalf of the STP and my officers who are present here. This will indeed help the traffic personnels to regulate the traffic, as it was already mentioned, that this is a very important point which leads to the different directions. And here the presence of the traffic police is very important. In absence of any traffic booths, it's become very difficult, especially in the bad weathers. So by creating the space, we express our gratitude to our honorable MLA that through your generous supports and the proactive supports of the Darbar, of the Laban Darbars, and the people in general, that have contributed to the need of the traffic personnels. As I, on behalf of the STP, we want to express our gratitude to all those who are present here, especially to our honorable MLAs, the headmen, secretaries, and all the executive members of the Darbars and the people in general of Laban. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you.